Hello students, welcome back. Today in this video we people are going to talk about the applications of conservation of linear momentum. We'll see that how this momentum remains conserved in our day-to-day life. Before that, students, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please mention your name, class and section in the comment section below. So students, let's start with the applications of conservation of linear momentum. See students, we have studied in the last video that in an isolated system, a system in which there is no external force acting on the body, then what will happen to its momentum? The momentum will remain conserved. Whatever momentum it is having before, it will have the same momentum afterwards also. So let's start with the first application today. A rocket works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. See students, what happens whenever a rocket is launched, then the fuel in the fuel box is burnt and a large amount of gas is released in the downward direction. So by Newton's third law of motion, for every action there must be an equal and opposite reaction. So what will happen? To balance this, the rocket will move in the upward direction, that is a direction opposite to the direction of the gases. And how it is related to conservation of momentum? See students, initially before launch, the whole body, the fuel along with the rocket was at rest. And if any body is at rest, then what will happen to its initial momentum? Its initial momentum will be 0. So if the momentum is conserved, then after the launch also the momentum of this body should be 0. Before launch it was 0 because the body was at rest, and after launch also the body should be at 0 momentum. So how this momentum of two things will be 0? See what happens. Let's suppose m is the mass of the gases, and these gases are moving in the downward direction with velocity v. They are allowed to escape with a very high velocity. So the total momentum of the gases will be very high. So to balance this momentum of gas, the rocket should also move with the same momentum but in opposite direction. See what will happen. Let's suppose capital M is the mass of the rocket, and with velocity v it is moving in the upward direction. Now we can clearly see that the velocities are opposite in direction. So what will happen? If one is positive in the downward direction, then one will be negative in the upward direction. We know that the rocket is balancing the momentum of gas. It is moving with the same momentum as these gases are moving in the downward direction. So these two momentums will be same, but it will be opposite. So they both will cancel out each other, and what will be the total momentum after the launch? It will be 0. So here we can see that by conservation of momentum, what is happening? The momentum of these two bodies is conserved. Students, momentum is also conserved when the bullet is fired from the gun. We have already studied in Newton's third law of motion that for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. We can see that as soon as the bullet is fired from the gun, the bullet is moving in the forward direction. So for this action, what will happen? The gun will move but in the opposite direction. But this is also related to conservation of momentum. See what happens before firing the gun and the bullet, because the bullet was inside the gun, so the whole body was at rest. So its initial momentum was 0. So to conserve the momentum, its momentum after firing should be 0. So let's suppose small m is the mass of the bullet, and bullet is moving with a velocity in the forward direction. Now as this bullet is moving with a very high velocity, then what will happen to its momentum? Its momentum will also be very high, because small quantity multiplied with the very high quantity, what happens? The product is also very large. So what will happen? Its momentum will be very high. So to preserve this momentum, to conserve this momentum, what will happen? the gun will also move in the backward direction. Let's suppose capital M is the mass of the gun and the gun moves in the opposite direction. So as it is moving in the opposite direction, so we will show it by a negative sign. So how the momentum of this body is 0 after firing? Because this momentum will be also equal to this momentum. So these two momentums will cancel each other. The momentum of bullet will be equal to the momentum of gun. With whatever momentum the bullet is moving in the forward direction, with the same momentum the gun will also move in the back direction. Question can come, ma'am, if the bullet is moving with a very high velocity, then with the same velocity the gun is not moving because the mass is very high. So if you want to balance this quantity, the velocity value should be small. Let's suppose the mass of the bullet, let's suppose I am taking it as 1 kg. I know it cannot be, but for SI units I have taken this 1 kg. And let's suppose it is moving with a very high velocity. Let's suppose 20 meter per second. So what will be total momentum? It will be 20 kg meter per second. Now if the mass of the gun is 4 kg, then if you want to balance this momentum with this momentum, then what should be the velocity with which the gun is moving in the backward direction, the gun is recoiling? It should be 5. Then only the product will be 20 kg meter per second. So therefore with whatever velocity the bullet is moving in the forward direction, with the same velocity the gun will not move because the mass of the gun is also high. So the product should be same, not the velocity. So in this way we can see that the total momentum of the body after firing is 0 because one is moving in the forward direction, one is moving in the backward direction. So it will cancel out each other and the final momentum will also come to be 0. So here also our momentum is conserved. So students, this was all for today. We'll see you in the next video now. Till then, you people take care and bye-bye.